Our next guest analyst is going to be Oliver Slope, Blue Line Futures, coming to us from Chicago. Thank you very much for taking the time here, Oliver. All right, anything jump out of you there? What's top of mind?
Well, that wheat market just continues to get beat up, working on the 9th consecutive day lower and approaching about $1 lower from the recent highs. And just a couple weeks ago, we were kind of looking at the wheat rally saying, man, I wish corn could be a little bit more correlated to the wheat market and benefit from the rally. Be careful what you wish for. And it's a good thing that we're not more correlated with the wheat market, seeing some green on the screen in corn and soybeans. So that's nice to see and encouraging, right up against some big levels for that July corn contract. Looking at 451, 453. That was the kind of the brick wall from the end of last week, which represents the 50 and 100-day moving average. If we can get out above there, potentially we spur a little bit more short covering towards 463. But I continue to believe that these rallies are probably going to be opportunities for producers to lay off some risk, especially with the USDA WASDE report here midweek.
Yeah, I mean, we're going to go away for a break, but I want you to think about, I mean, if you're a bull, what are you looking for the crops? Because right now, it seems like there's not a lot out there. But stay right there. We're going to go away. We're going to pay some bills, come back and talk livestock. For Mr. Slope, Blue Line Futures in Chicago, what are your thoughts here real quick?
Well, certainly a great way to start the week. You and I talked last week about the cattle market, cattle complex, just having some hurdles to get out above, particularly from headline news regarding the bird flu. And it just seemed like going into the weekend, nobody really wanted to be long with that potential headline risk looming over the market. And the fact that we were able to make our way through the weekend without any serious headline damage, I think has certainly kind of helped firm things up this morning. The cash market's been very firm and steady as of late, which is also encouraging in what is seasonally a very friendly time of year, which has really been kind of the foundation of our bias here in the near term through the month of June and into July, is that peak demand season really offering a tailwind to the futures market. Hopefully we can see that continue without any more of these goofy headlines regarding bird flu going forward.
Awesome stuff. We love the content. Really appreciate it. Thank you very much, Oliver. Oliver Slope, Blue Line Futures, coming to us from Chicago.